Okay, good morning. There's the house. There's the street. On the way down here is the train station. So we'll go for a walk. Should take 3 or 4 minutes, I'm hoping. So let's go and walk down to the train. See, go to Brisbane. So the plan is catch the train now at 8:30 in the morning, and then get to, I'm not too sure what time to Brisbane. I think it's about an 8, somewhere between 8 and 10 hours. I think it's around about 8 actually, 6 to 8. Yeah. So late afternoon Brisbane, and then go find the hotel I booked down there. It's just a little backpacker's place, just a little tiny single room for 2 nights. It'll be tonight, tomorrow night, and then tomorrow go through and go get COVID test done and do the Philippines e-travel, and then go and get all that sorted out tomorrow. But today is main thing is just get to Brisbane. So here we go. This is my first time of doing anything like this. We go down here. Down in the background. Over this way. Across the road. Without getting run over. There we go, we're all good. So down this way we'll get to the train station, Gladstone train station. So I'm lucky to have only just live a 3 or 4 minute walk to get to there. Yep, and it is actually only 2.5 minutes now. That's pretty close. Very convenient. Don't have to worry about parking or having anybody drop you off, or taxis even. We just walk there. So here we are, Gladstone rail station. Over to here we go. There's the entrance to the station, and in we go. So this will be it for now, and let's see when the train comes in. Talk soon.